How to download and install 2GIS. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install 2GIS. So this is how to go about it. The first step is to go ahead and launch your Play Store or your App Store, depending on where you get your application from. And then once you're in your Play Store, click on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then in the search box that is displayed, go ahead to type 2GIS navigation, and then the application will be displayed. Now for me, I already have the application installed, that's why it's displaying this. But for you, you will see the option install on this page, install and cancel. So click on install. Once you click on install, the application will be downloaded, and once it is done downloading, it will be installed automatically into your mobile phone, and then you can go ahead to make use of it. You can go ahead to open it this way, create your account, and start making use of your 2GIS application. So this is basically it. It is very simple to download. It is not difficult. Just go ahead, go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, search for the application, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.